Why meditation is beneficial. There is plenty of evidence supporting the numerous benefits of meditation. Meditation can offer general health, mental and emotional benefits, including lower blood pressure, reduced stress, better sleep, improved emotional regulation, increased focus, enhanced mood, reduced aggression, greater adaptability, healthier aging process, and a greater sense of empathy and connection with others. A 2017 review noted that non-transcendental meditation may be a promising alternative approach for lowering systolic and diastolic blood pressure, while a 2019 review found that mindfulness-based interventions reduced levels of the stress hormone cortisol in employees participating in workplace mindfulness programs. It has also been shown to encourage pro-social emotions and behaviors, enhance focus and mood, and reduce aggression while also encouraging positive coping strategies in times of stress. A 2018 review suggests that meditation may contribute to healthy aging. Meditation may also help with symptoms of specific conditions, including depression and anxiety disorders, cardiovascular disease, such as arterial hypertension, dementia and Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, insomnia, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder also known as ADHD, and chronic pain. When it comes to depression, a 2019 review noted that mindfulness-based meditation has positive effects that may last up to 6 months or more. The same review notes that the lack of negative effects of mindfulness-based interventions makes them a promising supplemental therapy for depression and anxiety disorders. A 2018 review found that meditation resulted in reductions in cognitive decline and perceived stress as well as increased quality of life, connectivity, and blood flow to the brain. A 2017 study found low-quality evidence that mindfulness meditation is associated with a small decrease in chronic pain compared with controls. More research is needed to solidify this connection. The bottom line is, whether you are looking to reduce stress or find spiritual enlightenment, there is a meditation practice for you. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and try different types of meditation. It often takes a little trial and error until you find the one that fits. Meditation isn't meant to be a forced thing. If we're forcing it, then it becomes a chore. Gentle, regular practice eventually becomes sustaining, supportive, and enjoyable. Open yourself up to the possibilities. There are so many forms of meditation that if one isn't working or isn't comfortable, just try a new one. Goodbye and happy meditating.